Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to check MySQL version from command line. So the first thing that we can do to check MySQL version is using the MySQL d binary. So we can type on the shell MySQL d minus version. Okay, as you can see here that this is MySQL 8.0.25 on Ubuntu 2004 actually. So the build on Ubuntu 2004 from the Ubuntu repository usually reflect the version of MySQL and version of Ubuntu. And the next thing that we can do is if we are connecting to the server itself, we can use, for example, I'm connecting to my local server. So I use sudo MySQL user root with password and empty password because I connect to socket. So as you can see that here, there's server version 8.0, the same version that we see before. So this is the MySQL version. Okay, now from the MySQL shell, we can use few commands. So the first thing that we can use is status. Okay, in status, we can see that there is server version, so similar version, of course. And then we can also use the select version. So this will provide a cleaner output. So basically only the version of the server itself, because the previous command, the status command provide other outputs. Okay, and the last one is we can use the showing variables. So we can use show variables like version. Okay, so as you can see here, there's variable named version and the value is the MySQL version. So that's it. We learned 5 ways to check MySQL version. Hope that it is useful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to How to Dojo channel. See you next time. Thank you again. Bye.